Installing a new door in your home can be an exciting upgrade, enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and security of your property. However, like any home improvement project, door installation can come with its challenges. Homeowners in Jacksonville Beach, known for its coastal weather and beautiful oceanfront views, should be especially mindful of certain considerations. Avoiding common mistakes during door installation will ensure the process goes smoothly and the final result stands the test of time. Neglecting proper measurement. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make when installing a new door is inaccurate measurement. A door that doesn't fit properly will cause a host of issues, from difficulty opening and closing to drafts and water leakage. It's crucial to measure the width, height, and thickness of the door frame accurately. Keep in mind that door sizes can vary, and a standard door may not always fit your specific space. For Jacksonville Beach homes, especially those near the coast, it's essential to take into account the expansion and contraction of materials due to the area's humidity and salt air. This can cause slight variations in the size of the door frame, and accurate measurements can prevent you from purchasing the wrong size door. Choosing the wrong door material. The choice of material plays a significant role in the performance and longevity of your door. Jacksonville Beach experiences a unique climate, with high humidity and salty air, both of which can cause wear and tear on certain door materials over time. For example, wooden doors may be more susceptible to rotting and warping due to the area's moisture levels, while metal doors can rust when exposed to salty ocean air. Opting for materials like fiberglass or steel with a protective coating can offer a more durable and long-lasting solution for coastal climates. These materials are more resistant to moisture and corrosion, ensuring that your door remains in top condition, even with the harsh Jacksonville Beach weather. Improper door frame installation. The door frame is just as important as the door itself. Improper installation of the frame can lead to misalignment, making it impossible for the door to open and close correctly. In some cases, you may notice gaps around the edges of the door, which can lead to drafts or water intrusion during storms, something Jacksonville Beach residents should especially be mindful of, given the region's occasional hurricanes. Ensure that the door frame is level and square before securing it in place. If the frame is out of alignment, the door will not operate smoothly. It's also critical to use proper shimming and caulking techniques to create a tight seal around the door, keeping the elements out. Ignoring insulation needs. Many homeowners underestimate the importance of insulation around their new door. A poorly insulated door can lead to energy loss, increasing your heating and cooling costs. Jacksonville Beach's warm summers and mild winters make it essential to have a well-insulated door to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures year-round. When installing a new door, make sure the door comes with a proper weather stripping and insulation. This will help prevent air leaks and improve energy efficiency. Additionally, if you're replacing an exterior door, consider installing a door with a higher R value, which measures thermal resistance. Failing to address security features security should always be a priority when installing a new door, especially for exterior doors. Failing to properly install secure locks or opting for subpar hardware can leave your home vulnerable to break-ins. In Jacksonville Beach, many homes are vacation rentals or second homes, which can make them more susceptible to theft if security is not prioritized. Choose a solid door with a high-quality lock set and deadbolt for maximum security. Also, consider adding a peephole or security camera system to monitor visitors at your front door. If you're unsure about what type of lock is best for your home, consult with a professional to ensure your new door meets modern security standards. Forgetting about curb appeal. While functionality and security are essential, don't forget about the visual appeal of your new door. Jacksonville Beach has a unique coastal vibe, and the right door can enhance your home's overall curb appeal. Consider how your door choice complements your home's architecture and surrounding landscape. Whether you go for a traditional wood design, a modern fiberglass door, or something more rustic, the door should reflect the style of your home. Consult with a professional if you're unsure about what type of door will best suit your needs. A professional can help you select the ideal style, color, and material that not only fits your budget but also enhances the beauty of your home. Conclusion. Installing a new door in your Jacksonville Beach home is an investment in both functionality and curb appeal. By avoiding these common mistakes, such as improper measurements, choosing the wrong materials, neglecting insulation, and overlooking security, you can ensure that your new door stands up to the elements and adds value to your property. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's aesthetic or improve its energy efficiency, taking the time to plan your door installation properly will save you time, money, and frustration in the long run.